Hi, this is Matthew again. Today is the 3rd of November 2018. It's a new binary options video, and I've been test running this strategy for more than 4 months now. So here I'm going to set the timer to, let's say, 20 minutes. So I'm going to start this timer. So we're going to be trading the volatility index 10 in this strategy. So I've opened the trading charts right here. So I'm going to open the indicator chart as well. I'll go to volatility index 10. So push it to the side. So here we're going to be trading the digits differs. I change this to digits differs, then this one stays at 5 ticks. So I'm going to be making one USD trade, so I'm going to set this to 11.10 so that it will give me a net profit of $1. So as you can see, the balance at the moment we have a $3,327.84. So here we are going to change the indicator to Aaron from this candlestick. I'm going to indicator, and I'm going to momentum indicator. So I'm going to change this to Aaron. So once you select this, you just click on OK once, then click on cancel. So then we're going to change this to tick. This tick, just select this. Then you can push this quite a bit. Then under the chart type, we're going to change this to table, because we're going to be working with this yellow down arrow and the last number that shows under it. So here you can see, let me just give an example of this. Now this is a yellow arrow. You can see this one, the last number here is 24. You can see, the last digit is 3. You can see 3, 8. So it doesn't matter, the number can disappear in seconds. Just note the last number under the yellow down arrow. So 7. So we are going to click 7 and click on purchase. So we want that trade as a first trade, so you're going to give it some few seconds before you pick again. We know how the algorithm works, so you're going to wait for some few seconds. So here you can make another trade. So the down, this is the yellow, we have 5 under it, so I'm going to go for 5. So as you can see, we want the second trade, so close this. I'll give it like few seconds again. So we have 6 again, so I'm going to change this to 6. Sorry, 6. This strategy doesn't have any particular trading time. You can trade anytime. So we want that third trade again. So I'm going to give it like few seconds again. So we have 3. So I'm going to go for 3. So let me open this calculator and put it right here. So it's for us to know the number of trades we've placed. So we placed the 4th trade. So as you can see, we won the 4th trade. So we are going to place the 5th trade. The 5th trade. So we've made 4 USD. So I'm going to give this few seconds again. So we have let's give it some few seconds more. So we have 2. So I'm going to change this to 2. Click on purchase. So we want the 5th trade again. So I'm going for the 6th trade. So I'm going to close these. So I'm going to give it a few seconds again. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. This thing has to be moving fast. So we can go now. We have 4. So going for 4. So we won that trade. That's the 6th trade. We made 60 USD. So we're going to go for the 7th trade and give it a few seconds again. We have 9. That's the 7th trade. As you can see, we won the 7th trade as well. So we're going for the 8th trade. Now we spend about 7 minutes plus. As the 8th trade, we give it some few seconds again. Please always watch the yellow color, not the blue one. Just under the ticks, you look at the last number under the tick and the last number. So here we have just kind of you can see it's showing blue. Here we have 4. We go for 4. Make sure you give it, don't be in a haste to pick your numbers. Make sure you give it a few seconds before you pick the number. So you can see we won that trade. As the 8th trade, we made 8 USD. So I'm going to place the 9th trade. Always give it few seconds before you see. They don't be in a hurry to pick the numbers. You can see the yellow can pop up continuously and the numbers can be showing, and we want to pick in haste. Don't be in a haste to pick the numbers. This is because of the algorithm. We want these strategies to last as long as it could. So here we have 6. So I'm going to go for 6. That's our 9th trade. As you can see, we won the 9th trade. So I'm going for the 10th trade. Maybe we'll stop at 20. You can go on and on and on. So let's give it a few seconds again. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more strategies. Make sure you visit our website as well for tutorials, www.naijacrux.com, X for xylophone, that's www.nigeriacruise.com. Just hit the subscribe button on this YouTube channel for more videos. So we can go for another one. We have 6, so let's go for another number. So we have 7. We are going for 7. As you can see, we want that trade again. That's the 10th trade, so we are going for the 11th trade right now. So I have to close this. I'll give this few seconds. Don't repeat numbers, so make sure you change to a different number. Like we have 7 in the last trade, so here we can go for 4, or let's give it some time again. It's yellow, we can go for 6. Okay, 6. So as you can see, we won the 11th trade, so we are going for the 12th trade right now. 12 times we made 11 USD just in 11 minutes. So each minute we make 1 USD. It's because we are trying to wait for this thing to give us more numbers. So here we can go for 5. No, we can go for 1. There's 1. So we won the 12th trade. We are going for the 13th trade right now. So let's give it some time again. So once you see the yellow and you see this number, the last number under the tick, not under the change, please, you have to be watchful. So we are going for 2. We're going for 2. As you can see, we won the 13th trade, so we're going for the 14th trade right now. 14. So I'm closing this. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have more strategies coming. As you can see, we have not lost a single trade in this trading session, so this strategy is 100% guaranteed. So we're going to place like 20 trades. So we have 2, but we're not going to go for 2 because of our last. So we're going to go for 8 there. 8. So that's our 14th trade. As you can see, we won the 14th trade, so we are going for our 15th trade right now. So here we are going to go for 8. No, not 8. We just pick 8. So just check the yellow arrow. 7. We are going to go for 7. 7. As you can see, we won our 15th trade, so we're going to place our 16th trade. We've made 15 USD just in about 15 minutes. So do not repeat numbers. So we are going to go for 3 as 9. We're going to go for 9. Okay, that's 9. That's our 16th trade. So we won that trade. You can see it's already showing 5. So we won our 16th trade. We are placing our 17th trade. Remember, we're going to place 20 trades in this section. You can go on and on and on. Just have patience and keep making the money. So here we are going to go for our last one was 9. So 1, I'll take picking 1. So that's our 17th trade. As you can see, we won that trade as well. So we're going to go for the 18th trade. 18th trade. So remember the rules. You look out for the yellow down button, then you look out for the last number under the tick as the last number. So we're going for 1. No, we've picked 1 already, the last prediction. You can see it's all blue. It's all blue, so we can't place any trade right now. So yellow, we're going to go for 4. 4. As you can see, we won that trade as well. That's our 18th trade. So we're going to place the second to the last trade for this section. Remember, we are trading for 20 times. You can go on and on and on and on and on and on. Let's get it. So we're going to go for 6. 6. That's our 19th trade. I'm changing this to 20. You can see we won the 19th trade. We made 19 USD in about 18 minutes. So this is our last trade for this section. The 20th trade. So we are going to go for 3. 3. For the last trade. It's fun, right? So we won the last trade. That means we won all the 20 trades straight up. This is a guaranteed strategy. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and visit our website for written tutorials. So thanks for watching. As you can see, the balance now is a 3,347.84 buy. Remember, we just traded for like 19 minutes. So bye.